Hi there! Today, we're going to learn the weather and seasons. What do you see through the window? It's the sun. When we can see the sun, we say it's sunny. Sunny. What do you see through the window? It's a cloud. When we see many clouds in the sky, we say it's cloudy. Cloudy. What do you see through the window? It's the rain. When there are clouds, drops will fall down, and we say it's rainy. Rainy. What do you see through the window? It's thunder and lightning. When we see thunder and lightning, we say it's stormy. Stormy. What do you see through the window? It's the wind. When you see things moving or flying around the trees, we say it's windy. Windy. What happens in spring? In spring, it's warm. People enjoy going traveling. What happens in summer? In summer, it's boiling hot. People enjoy going to the beach. What happens in fall? In fall, it's cool. People enjoy eating fruit. What happens in winter? In winter, it's freezing. People enjoy wearing warm clothes. That's all. Thank you for your listening and have a nice day.